Hello my dear viewers and welcome to a new video here on my YouTube channel. At the moment I'm here in southwest of Ireland in Kerry, and this is the Derry house over here. Here we have a beautiful nature. I will hike to this forest over here, one of the most interesting forests I have ever seen. Today is Sunday, the 25th of September, year 2022, and yeah, our Ireland trip is nearly over now, so this is the last full day here, and yeah, we try to enjoy every minute. We are very close to the beach over here, beautiful beach with rocks and little islands. I will show you everything. And look at this plant over here with those huge leaves. There are so many trees and plants here, and there are a lot of trails through the forest with little houses for the fairies, so it's very mystical. Here it's like walking through a fairy tale here, so this is, yeah, beautiful. I will share the footage with you, and I wish you a lot of fun with this video. So I think I will make two parts of this video, a short video and a longer version, because the internet is very poor at the moment where we are, and I cannot upload long videos. So I will make this quick update so that you can have a little glimpse here into this beautiful nature and what the update is from our travel, and then as soon as I have a good internet I will upload a longer version. Oh, now it's raining a little bit. Now we are here at the beach. At the moment the tide is low, and we can hike a little bit over here and explore everything. There are many rocks here and little ponds with some animals inside. Beautiful shell over here, and yeah, look at this. This is very nice over here. My dear viewers, we are on the way into the mountains. There we found a waterfall with a little lake, and we tried to hike to this place. At the moment we have real Irish weather, thick clouds in the mountains and some rain over here. Beautiful view to these islands down there, and yeah, a bit windy, cold, harsh wind. A lot of sheep down there. Beautiful.